Nasdaq 100 technical analysis. So Nasdaq is taking a bit of a dump today. As you can see, we are currently down minus 1.7%, 211 points roughly. As usual, let's just zoom out to the weekly chart and see what is happening. So first up is this trend line over here, actually very important, because you can see this was almost the all-time high and then we got rejected over here and then straight away rejected again. Nasdaq today is at 12,273 points, and of course if you look at this over here, roughly 12,000 is a very important psychological level. You can see a lot of action around this number 12,000. Also, if I go back in history, you can see over here also a lot of action was happening. So yeah, we have to keep an eye on 12,000, which could be a possible target. If we are not able to hold this, then we have this 100 period moving average at 11,500. So basically 11,500 to 12,000, this range looks interesting at the weekly. Also, why? If I look at 2020, look at this purple line, 100 moving average found support and the whole bull run started. And again in 2018, early 19, look at this whole bull run that was starting. So yeah, purple line, 100 period moving average, quite important. So keep these two numbers in your mind, 11,500 and 12,000. Moving on to the daily chart, going down with full force. As you can see, it's a full bodied candle currently, got rejected from this trend line that we saw earlier, and of course a lot of moving averages are here. So yeah, once again we can see 12,000, 12,100 looking interesting. Current RSI sitting at 37.5. generally it likes to go below 35. So yeah, little bit room is possible towards 12,000, and then we will see how market reacts to the psychological level of 12,000. Moving on to the dollar index DXY. Moving on to the dollar index, we can see we have a very small higher high forming currently, but if you look at the RSI, this is going down. So we are at a bearish divergence, which means some correction is possible. Also, given that RSI has gone to 64, almost overbought, so some correction is possible, maybe towards 106, 105. This area might be interesting for the dollar index. Moving on to the Apple stock, of course it is the largest market cap stock in the world. Again, same trend line is what we are seeing, and again 50 moving average, this green line acting as a very good support, especially when you see that the RSI has gone below 35. This happened recently and then we saw a huge pump, and then now we are dropping currently. Even if I look in the past, same thing, green line, and then again over here also touch the purple line, and then RSI below 30. So yeah, key factor is this green line currently sitting at 141. In terms of possible support, $150 is looking interesting, because we can see a lot of action happen around 150, being a whole number and a psychological number. So we can expect the price to drop towards 150. Of course, given the RSI is at 50, we still have scope to go down. So we have to keep this scenario in our mind. Lastly, let's take a quick look at Tesla on the weekly. Look at this channel that is forming. Top part of this channel was 304, and if we look at the bottom channel, which will be around the 100 moving average, also is around 182. But yeah, first we will see 243, which is the 50 moving average. So this area roughly 250 to 225 is looking interesting for Tesla. So we might see a drop towards this demand zone. Of course, RSI currently sitting at 49. So yeah, possible scope for going down. If we look at TradingView, it is saying this is currently a buy right now. Let me know in the comments if you agree with TradingView or not. And once again, as you can see, markets are very volatile and very risky. If you're actively trading into the markets, please don't forget proper risk management, take profit, stop loss, and good luck trading. Thank you.